Hello everybody, this is Karthikeya from CSCB. My topic is examining machine learning for 5G and beyond through an adversarial lenses. Overview of security attacks on machine learning. The vulnerability of machine learning, especially the DL models, to the adversarial attacks is now well established, where adversarial inputs are small, carefully crafted attribution the test data built for fooling the underlying ML models into making wrong decisions. An adversary can often successfully target an ML model with no knowledge of the model or some knowledge or full knowledge of the target model. An adversary can attack the model during its training phase and in its testing phase as well. 3 case studies highlighting adversarial machine learning risk for 5G and beyond. Attacking supervised ML based 5G applications. Automatic modulation classification is a critical task for intelligent radio receivers where the signal aptitude, carrier frequency, phase offsets, and distribution of noise power are unknown variables to the receivers subjected to real world frequency selective time varying channels attributed by multi-path fading and shadowing. To make modulation classifiers more common in modern 5G and B5G, means beyond 5G, network devices, current approaches deploy DL to build an end-to-end modulation classification systems capable of automatic extraction of signal features in the wild. Attacking supervised ML-based applications. Uh, the attack the topic is attacking unsupervised ML based 5G applications. So in 2016 Hoshia et al proposed the idea of channel auto encounters. So in 2016 Hoshia et al was proposed the idea of channel auto encounters. So the what is the channel idea of channel auto encounters? So it is an abstraction of how to an end-to-end radio communication module functions in real world wireless system. So it is nothing but the abstraction of uh, how the radio communication end-to-end radio communication model functions the real world wireless systems, because now we are using the wireless systems, which means the 5G is also came the 5G the game changer of the wireless technology. So it the auto encoders abstract how the radio communication module functions in real world wireless systems. Such a deep auto encounter based communication model is seen as a viable alternative to the dedicated radio hardware in the future 5G and beyond networks. So such a deep auto encounter based communication, which means the the communication based on auto encounters model as viable alternative to the dedicated radio hardware the future 5G, which means the 5G is also in the developing. 5G was also already was in developing state, is not fully developed. So dedicated hardware in its work in 5G and beyond the network, which means 6G, 7G, the alternate technology generations toward robust machine learning driven 5G and beyond networks. Rob- Robustness against adversarial ML attacks is a very challenging problem. So it is a very challenging problem. It is a very challenging problem that robustness against adversarial ML attacks. So we first note that there does not exist much work on recommendations and guidelines for evaluating the robustness of ML in 5G applications. Moreover, to date, There does not exist a defense that ensures complete protection against adversarial mail attacks. So the conclusion is security and privacy are uncompromising necessities for modern and future global network standards such as 5G and beyond 5G. So the the future global networks like 5G, beyond 5G, the upcoming networks are uncompromising necessities like necessities for security and privacy, which means uh, the security and privacy were not compromising in the 5G and beyond 5G. According to the fortifying it the towards attacks and withstand the rapidly evolving landscape for future security threats is of vital importance. Thank you.